Okay, welcome to this afternoon's walking. So we are in Torremolinos and we're just going to have a quick review around the hotel. Now, time of filming, we are in July the 8th, 2025. The temperature's around about 30 degrees. It's boiling hot. This is a beachfront hotel. It's a very, very, very big hotel. Let's go check out the pools, the area. It's not a hotel review. It's just a general walk round just to show you what it looks like. If you're thinking of booking or staying here, okay. Let's go check the place out. So plenty of car parking at the front there if you're thinking of hiring a car. Entrance, obviously, we're into a lovely big atrium here at the reception area. And we're just going to have a walk around, so come and join me. And just off reception, we've just got a little kind of game room, I suppose you'd call it. A couple of pool tables and probably places where you can sit down and have a game of cards or somewhere quiet. Straight off reception, you're into this absolutely ginormous buffet area. That is huge. Thousands of people staying here. It's a big hotel list. And just off to the side here, you've got another big area. This looks like where they'd have some kind of entertainment later on in the evening. And obviously, we've just got a bar there as well. So let's just have a quick walk through. I'm not going to film too much of everyone eating. It's just a huge, huge buffet area. Bar here. And you are located straight on the beach at the front. Just give you an overview through the window up here, then we'll get outside. These modern hotels now tend to have these QR codes instead of menus on the tables. So it puts down paperwork and they can change the prices quickly if they need to do. In the main restaurant area here, you can come out and you can sit on the beachfront and just sit under cover, but you get a sea view, so that's quite nice. Probably a bit cooler as well, I should imagine. So it's about 1:30 now, so I'll give you an idea where the sun is and everything. And we've got guards on, keeping everyone safe in the pool, which is pretty good. Green space here. If you don't want to go on the beach, but you want to be by the pool, obviously it's all inclusive, so you're going to want to enjoy the all-inclusive facility here. And you've got your poolside drinks here. And then directly above, you have the overview of the restaurant there, looking out onto ramp access here. So as you can see, this is going to be great if you've got kids. So very, very much. Oh, thank you. Very much a family-friendly hotel. Or if you've got any kind of walking disabilities, the ramp's always going to be a benefit. There are steps as well if you want to do the shortcut to get down. But it's just nice to have the facility of having a ramp. Ashtrays are out here, so you've got a smoking area as well. Let's go back through and see what else we can find. So just back through into the reception area now. Now I've been outside, I can actually feel how cool it is in here. So the aircon in here is pretty good. You really do appreciate the aircon once you've been outside and come inside. And you think, oh, that's beautiful. Big reception area for checking in and checking out. Kids club area, which is located pretty much behind reception. And if you're into your arcade games, they've got a little arcade here as well. Got your air hockey going on. I used to love playing this. I was never any good at it, but I used to love playing it. And just beyond, we're off into another pool area. Oh, ice creams as well. Very nice. Yeah, again, another area for the kids. Now, well thought out. They've got a massive loads of canopies and shade there, which is pretty cool.
Ah, vale. Thank you.
Okay, let's carry on walking through. If you've stayed here and you've got any recommendations for a good room, local bars, restaurants in the area when you want to get away from the all-inclusive, any recommendations, just leave a comment in the comment section below. Nice big free-form pool. So we're on two sides. Got a bar over there. And it looks like an entertainment. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to have a wander over there. As you can see, it is a big place. If it were me personally, I wouldn't come here as a family holiday or as a single traveller. It's way too family orientated. But it's ticking all the boxes if you come here with a young family. Slippy floor. So you've got all your show times that are on. Got a little food stand over there, serving chips, your basic snacks. Poolside bar. One thing I've noticed in the pool itself, there's no real shade. Some hotels go like a canopy like this over the pool, and I think they have done it in the kids area, but not for the grown-ups. So it's the kiddie place here. I'm not going to film too much here. It just gives you an idea. You've got this big canopy that just keeps the sun off the kids, which is great. But they haven't really got that for the adult side. And if you're fair skinned like me, you can't be in the pool too long. Your suntan cream washes off and you end up getting burnt quickly. Okay. Let's have a quick nose at this snack bar over here. So you did all your regular type stuff. Burgers, chips, hot dogs, that kind of stuff. Well, there you go. That's just an overview of the property. If you do like this content, please do share the love. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a like. If you want to see more of this, why don't you subscribe to the channel? Loads more content coming up. In Tenerife and next week. We do some filming in the UK, down south as well. So if you want to see more travel kind of content like this, subscribe. And if you know someone who's coming here, why not share the video? Like I said, it's not a room review, it's just an overview of the property. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.